You know that feeling when you open your banking app at the end of the month, stare at the number, and think, what did I even buy? The fridge is full. The laundry's done. The house smells clean. Yet somehow another $300 or $400 just vanished. Inflation keeps climbing. The grocery bill keeps growing. And you're left wondering how other people seem to stretch every dollar while you're still scrambling. I've been there, more times than I care to admit.
I grew up in a house where nothing was wasted. If something could be mended, it was mended. If a dollar could do the work of 5, it did. My mother never called it thrifty living. She just called it common sense. I've spent the years since running my own home the same way, testing what actually works, what quietly drains money, and the simple habits that feel almost too good to be legal. Today, I'm sharing the 12 that save us the most money with the least effort. No complicated systems, no extreme deprivation, just quiet, practical changes that add up to hundreds of dollars a year.
Number 1, laundry detergent. Most of us buy the big-name liquid detergent because the commercials make it look essential. The trap is the water. You're paying for a bottle that's mostly water and fragrance. Simple math. A quality concentrated powder costs about 1/3 the price per load. 10-second fix? Switch to a no-name concentrated powder or make a basic mix with washing soda and grated soap. Same clean clothes, half the cost. Number 2, paper towels. The marketing says you need a fresh sheet for every spill. The trap is volume. You go through rolls faster than you realize. Simple math. The average household spends $80 to $120 a year on paper towels. 10-second fix? Keep a stack of clean microfiber cloths in a basket under the sink. One cloth does the work of 10 paper towels and lasts years. Number 3, all-purpose cleaner. The brightly colored bottles promise hospital-grade power. Most of them are 90% water and marketing. Simple math. A year's supply of name-brand sprays can easily hit $60 to $80. 10-second fix? One spray bottle, equal parts white vinegar and water, a drop of dish soap. Works on counters, glass, and most surfaces. Cost? Under $2. Number 4, fabric softener and dryer sheets. They sell the idea that clothes need to feel soft and fresh. The trap is that they coat fabric and reduce absorbency over time. Simple math? $40 to $60 a year for something your clothes don't actually need. 10-second fix? Toss a clean tennis ball or wool dryer balls into the dryer. Softens, reduces static, and lasts for years. Number 5, single-use plastic bags. The store makes it easy to grab a new roll every few weeks. The trap is the constant repurchase. Simple math? $30 to $50 a year for bags that end up in the trash. 10-second fix? Keep a small stash of clean produce bags and reused grocery bags in a drawer. Wash and reuse. Done. Number 6, bottled water and flavored drinks. The industry spends billions convincing us tap water isn't good enough. Simple math? A family of 4 can easily spend $300 to $500 a year on bottled drinks. 10-second fix? A simple pitcher filter or even a basic charcoal stick. Fill reusable bottles once a day, instant habit. Number 7, coffee pods. Convenient, right? The trap is the price per cup, often 4 to 5 times more than regular coffee. Simple math? 2 pods a day can cost over $400 a year. 10-second fix? A $20 reusable pod or a small French press. Same coffee, fraction of the cost. Number 8, air fresheners and scented candles. They sell the feeling of a clean home. Most are just perfume in a can. Simple math? $50 to $100 a year for temporary scent. 10-second fix? Simmer a pot of water with lemon peel, cinnamon, or rosemary. Or open a window. Real freshness costs almost nothing. Number 9. Expensive dish soap. The brands push the idea that dishes need special formulas. Simple math: name brand soap can cost 3 times more per ounce than a basic alternative. 10-second fix: buy the large plain bottle or dilute a concentrated one. Your dishes will still be clean. Number 10. Trash bags. They convince you that you need the heavy-duty, scented, extra-strong version every time. Simple math: upgrading to premium bags can add $40 to $60 a year. 10-second fix: use the store brand bags for everyday trash. Save the heavy ones only for the big outdoor can. Most of the time, the cheap ones are fine. Number 11. Window cleaner. The blue liquid is marketed as the only way to get streak-free glass. Simple math: $20 to $30 a year for something you can make in seconds. 10-second fix: 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, a sheet of newspaper, or a microfiber cloth. Streaks disappear. Number 12. Fresh produce that spoils. We buy with good intentions, then watch half of it go bad in the crisper drawer. Simple math: the average household wastes $1,500 a year on food. A big chunk of that is produce. 10-second fix: when you get home, wash, chop, and store the items that spoil fastest in clear containers at eye level. What you see, you use. None of these habits require a complete lifestyle overhaul. They're small, almost invisible changes that quietly protect your money every single week. When you stop paying the marketing tax on everyday items, the savings stack up faster than most people expect, often hundreds of dollars a year without feeling like you're giving anything up. I still catch myself staring at the bank app some months and thinking, what did I even buy? But now, the answer is usually a lot less than I used to. Which of these 12 are you going to try first? Or do you already have a thrifty habit that feels almost illegal? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and your wallet.